Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to play the estimating products game. So what you're going to need is your dice or cards, doesn't matter. You're going to need the game board that I gave you and a dry erase marker and eraser. My eraser is attached to the marker already. So how you play this game is basically you're going to roll the dice or flip over cards and you're going to fill in these boxes here. So I'm going to roll my dice and you can kind of put in whatever numbers you want. So I have 8, 5, 5, and 6, just like so. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to estimate. So you're not finding the exact answer. You're going to figure out about how much this is. So you got to think, what is 855 round to? So you got to round to the highest digit, which is the 8. Look next door. Since it's 5 or more, we're going to raise the score. So 855 is going to round to 900, which we can just write right down there. And then we're going to multiply it by 6 because do we round single digits? Nope. So what you're going to do is you're going to figure out what that is equal to. So 9 times 6 is 54. Add 2 zeros, so you've got 5,400, okay? And what I would do is I would just put that number off to the side so that you remember, because then your partner is going to go. So you're going to erase this, and your partner's going to do the same thing. They're going to roll the dice, they're going to fill in their numbers, they are going to estimate and find out about how much it is. Whoever's number is bigger, so let's say I got 5,400, my partner got 3,200, okay? Which number is bigger? Well, the 5,400. So that means you can keep track of your points right down here, and you can make just a little T chart. So you put your name or initial, kind of like that, and you can give yourself a point, ding, and kind of play up until you want to. My suggestion is that go to at least 10. Now, this game is very versatile, so you can use the back side and do a 2 by 2 number if you want to. You can add more boxes. Like I could add a box over here and a box here, and now I'm doing a 3 by 3. Or I could even add boxes over here and do a 4,000 or 4-digit number and a 4-digit number, which means you're just going to have to roll your dice a few more times. So you can add boxes, you can get rid of boxes. Like here, I could get rid of this box and start small by doing 2 and then 1. So you can kind of create this game however you want to. Add as many boxes as you want to. All right, but like I said, you're going to keep score, go up to at least 10. You guys know what to do if there's no partner around, but hopefully you got somebody nearby. All right, hope you have fun playing Estimating Products game. Yes, I do. Okay.